Can you please tell me your name and address, please?
I'm Sarvin Santana. I live in 34 Ramos Street, Carmel 3, Quezon City, Tundastar, Quezon City pala. Okay.
Okay. Uh, so, can you please tell me what your experience is in Manila, applying job for an what do you call this one? What I mean is, can you give me a hint or your experience here in applying?
So it's hard to apply here in Manila. So you need to try and until you not succeed, just to get a best opportunity for you for your career at least. That's all.
So, what is your tip for the applicant today?
So if you're looking for a job, just be confident in yourself.
Be confident.
Yes.
What else?
And don't think negative.
So, don't
Always
think negative.
positive.
So, you're thinking about what course? You're graduated in what? Banking and Finance, Commerce.
Yes.
Okay. Can you please show your resume, please? Because
My resume is here.
that's a proof that you're
Two
you're the right
pages.
person that the company looking for.
Yeah. What? Pardon, please.
Because maybe the company might be what we call
Looking
it.
for a good and quality school. If you are graduated in quality school like Mapua, something na.
By the way, don't mention those names because we might maybe the Mapua filed as a libel case. So can you please don't tell names, please? Okay.
Okay.
So
Sorry Mapua.
okay.
So what else?
So that's it for now. Okay. Bye.